I don't always marinate my grilled chicken, but when I do, it comes out perfectly. Good idea to salt it after you grill it. There's many reasons why. And let's put a little more of this fresh ground pepper. Oh yeah. So now, you're interested, you better subscribe right here and search chicken on this channel. Search marinades on this channel. Search recipes on this channel. Wow, you're gonna learn a ton of stuff. And while you're there, check out your sponsor's Butcher Block. It's the best made. It's made in America. Sponsor gives you free shipping, no tax most places. Wow. Now you're wondering, just how good is this chicken, right? Let's take a look here. Falls apart, full flavor, cherry wood mesquite smoke. Wow, just doesn't get any better than this. Subscribe right here. Let's get cooking. Oh yeah. Dragon fruit persimmons relish. Thanks for watching. Hit the love button, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Try out this recipe. You're gonna love it. Oh, that's gonna be good. Try out this recipe and make sure to subscribe. Please share it as well. The gloves come large, like I wear. I have a big hand and big feet. Size 12 feet, large hands. They come large, they come medium, and they come small. 3 sizes. Perfect for the ladies with the little hands. The glove's made to be loose fitting. It's not a tight fitting glove. Slides on and off. Put it in the dishwasher. Put it in the laundry machine. It doesn't matter how you wash it. Let it air dry. It's good to go. This glove is probably 10 years old. It's still going. So visit the sponsor. They got all these babies in stock. Like I said, 100% made in USA. That's the difference between shopping small, buying from a small business in the USA, and buying all the cheap garbage that's mass marketed by the big merchant. You know who they are. It's gonna be good. Don't forget, the butcher block is the perfect companion to the knife. You need quality butcher block. Hit your sponsor right there. They're made in the USA. They give you free shipping, no tax most areas. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, get cooking and have a great day. It's gonna be good. Search soups on this channel. You'll find a whole bunch. Most importantly, make sure to shop the sponsor. That's going to keep these videos going. And why not buy the best quality products the first time? Talking about these Japanese knives, butcher block, made in the USA, the best you can get. This one has been cut, chopped, scraped, and cooked on for over 20 years, and it looks new. Check it out. Yeah. One grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons of extract, vanilla paste, or other gourmet vanilla products. So this is what I'm talking about right here. Sticky, the sticky. Let's get into the sticky. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a little on this knife. By the way, this is a Japanese Damascus knife. You can learn more about this on the channel. Just search Japanese Damascus knives and you're going to learn about these things. Really, really nice. This is I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow, it's gonna really, really kick. Shrimp cocktail with persimmons and dragon fruit. Search the recipe. Dragon fruit persimmons relish. Thanks for watching. Hit the love button, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it. Some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. I really like this crust recipe, and you can find it on the channel, of course. Have a great day. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah. That, that is the good stuff right there. On a side note, the sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. All right, check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Or the best vanilla beans, extracts, vanilla powder, vanilla seed specks. Get all that stuff at your sponsor. It's the best. Yeah. Don't forget to check out the butcher blocks, islands, tables, bars, counters, cutting boards while you're there. Oh yeah, let's get cooking. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Finished stew. Touch of parsley. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Get cooking and have a great day. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Professional cutting board, chopping block, butcher block, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.